Hi, this is Ogi with 4K Shooters, and I'm at the Rotolight stand at IBC 2018 with Rod, who's going to talk to you about their new AEOS light.
Fantastic. So this is the AEOS. It's again a really powerful light. You've got 5,750 lux at 3 feet. When it flashes, because it has the wireless flash system, it flashes to 2.5 times that. So you're going to get over 11,000 lux. Over 16,000 lux. What's really great about this light is that it's got fantastic color rendering. It's traditionally round like most Rotolights are. And the great thing is it only weighs 1.5 kilograms. So you can hold it one-handed if you're shooting. If you want to, you can either mount the battery on the back of the light or have it remote mounted like this in a belt pouch so you can keep the weight off. So then you can follow your cameraman around all day long like this, going into sort of interesting places to basically fire it up and give you the light where you didn't expect to see it. And when we put it, we supply it as standard with a large 360 plate with a quick release plate. But we also do yokes for this and barn doors. In fact, if we look directly up above us, you'll see that there's a barn door set on that AEOS with the softbox kit on top.
And I can also see the quarter 20 here, sockets on the side.
Yeah, exactly, for the yoke and everything. So again, really nice. We do a 2-light bag for this with 2 stands, 2 AEOSes, again with a nice padded shoulder strap, so you can actually carry that around town and have a really nice big shooter's kit. And it's an excellent light. It's about 800 euros. So very good value. And the 2-light kit is about 1,900 euros typically, street price.
I'd imagine this is available to purchase now from dealers or direct?
Really good. And it's got the new Elinchrom wireless flash system, so it can do 1/8,000th of a second high-speed sync, any frame rate with no recycle time, and a modeling light in between.
Perfect. So for all of you photographers / video guys out there who maybe want to get like an all-in-one kit, this is the one you should definitely check out. Thank you, Rod. Really appreciate it.
No problem.
Cheers.